Guys, today I'm here with the new wheel third brake light. Installation on this is going to work by tapping into the current third brake light on the top. You're going to want to unscrew it and take it apart and then tap into the wires that are currently there. So all you got to do is make sure that when it hits brake, the brake turns on. So make sure you hook it all up, tighten it all up, and then go to your car, check it out. Hit brake, and it should look just like that.